News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Reshma Tiwari, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today, we will be discussing about vacancies in Unique Identification Authority of India, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, National Horticulture Board, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Ministry of Ayush, Department of Border Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, and Directorate of Coordination Police Wireless. Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, invites applications for filling up 7 posts of Deputy Director General, that is 4 posts in Delhi and 1 each in Ranchi, Hyderabad and Lucknow on deputation basis at UIDAI headquarters. The application may be furnished in the prescribed proforma and forwarded to ADG HR, Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, 4th floor, Bangla Sahib Road, behind Kali Mandir, Gol Market, New Delhi 110001. The last date for receipt of application, complete in all respects, is 19th July 2021. Since these vacancies are to be filled up on deputation basis, private candidates are not eligible. Application received after the last date or otherwise found incomplete shall not be considered. Further details may be obtained from the website www.uidai.gov.in. Before we discuss about the vacancies in Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, let's know more about the organization. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India was established on 1st October 2016. Under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 code. It is a key pillar of the ecosystem responsible for implementation of the code that consolidates and amends the laws relating to reorganization and insolvency resolution of corporate persons, partnership firms and individuals in a time-bound manner for maximization of the value of assets of such persons to promote entrepreneurship, availability of credit and balance the interests of all the stakeholders. It is a unique regulator, regulates a profession as well as processes. It has regulatory oversight over the insolvency professionals, insolvency professional agencies, insolvency professional entities and information utilities. It writes and enforces rules for processes, namely corporate insolvency resolution, corporate liquidation, individual insolvency resolution and individual bankruptcy under the code. It has been tasked to promote the development of and regulate the working and practices of insolvency professionals, insolvency professional agencies, and information utilities and other institutions in furtherance of the purposes of the code. It has also been designated as the authority under the Companies Registered Valuers and Valuation Rules 2017 for regulation and development of the profession of valuers in the country. And now the vacancies. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi, invites applications from Indian nationals for the post of chairperson in Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, a statutory body established under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. For application format, eligibility conditions, requisite qualifications, other details like terms and conditions for service, etc., log on to Ministry of Corporate Affairs website www.mca.gov.in or www.ibbi.gov.in. Applications are invited for filling up 1 post of Deputy Managing Director in the National Horticulture Board on deputation basis, including short-term contract. Applications complete in all respect, giving details such as educational qualification and experience etc. in the prescribed format should reach to the Managing Director of the Board through proper channel within 30 days of the publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. The detailed information such as educational qualification, experience and application format etc. are available at NHB website www.nhb.gov.in as well as the department website viz www.midh.gov.in. Serious Fraud Investigation Office proposes to fill up 1 vacancy of Deputy Director Forensic Audit on deputation or ISTC basis. Interested and willing government employees may forward their application complete in all respect through proper channel in the prescribed format to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. For details, etc., visit www.sfio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in. Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Saraswati Foundation for Rural Development and Training District Karur, Tamil Nadu, invites applications for one post of Program Assistant, Lab Technician. Reservation and relaxation of age are as per orders issued by ICAR, Government of India, from time to time. For application and more details, visit www.skvkk.org. Interested candidates may apply by post only. The last date for receipt of application is 19th July 2021. The Ministry of Ayush was formed on 9th November 2014. Earlier, it was known as the Department of Indian System of Medicine and Homeopathy, ISM&H, which was created in March 1995 and renamed as Department of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush, in November 2003, with a view to provide focused attention for the development of education and research in Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Its objectives are to upgrade the educational standards of Indian systems of medicines and homeopathy colleges in the country, to strengthen existing research institutions and to ensure a time-bound research program on identified diseases for which these systems have an effective treatment, to draw up schemes for promotion, cultivation and regeneration of medicinal plants used in these systems, and to evolve pharmacopoeial standards for Indian systems of medicine and homeopathy drugs. Applications are invited in duplicate from eligible candidates for filling up one post of Assistant Drug Controller, Unani, under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. The details are available on the website www.ayush.gov.in. The applications, complete in all respects, should reach in the prescribed proforma through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of the advertisement for this post in the employment newspaper. Applications are invited by the Department of Border Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, to fill up the post of Member, Planning and Development of the Land Ports Authority of India under the Land Ports Authority of India Act 2010. The details and other terms and conditions are available on the website of the Ministry of Home Affairs at www.mha.gov.in and www.lpai.gov.in. Last date for receiving applications is 22nd July 2021. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates to fill up 2 vacancies of Additional Director in the Directorate of Coordination Police Wireless on deputation basis. The details of duties of the post and other conditions etc. are available on the DCPW website www.dcpw.gov.in. The filled-in application along with attested copies of certificates should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of the circular in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.